All right, class, it is time to start coding. We're going to use this website called Repl.it. I'll put a link in the description. And the first thing we need to do before we even start coding is to sign up. So you're going to hit the sign up button, and we're going to use our school Google account. So you'll hit the G for Google, and you'll log in with your school Google account. And once you're there, yours will look a little bit different than mine because I've been doing some editing and things like that. But I want to show you that when you start some projects, this has like every single coding language available. I mean, some of these I've never even heard of. There's so many. So this is pretty exciting stuff. I'm super excited because I just started using this year. Miss Hobbled showed me it, and I haven't stopped playing with it since she showed me. The other thing is you can import things from GitHub. If you've never heard of GitHub, it's super cool, and it's kind of where like file sharing, but with coding. So sharing a whole bunch of coding from hobbyists and professionals all over the world. So let me just stop this right here and point out you've got some tutorials that you can follow, some templates, and I'm going to be making some videos, some tutorials using first HTML, and we'll be using this throughout the year. So I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or punch them in the comments below. Have a great day and make sure that you get an account made.